Meditation on the rising sun. These are the instructions given by Param Pujya Gurudev in Hindi, which I am translating in English. Kindly consider that his power is always there with you, and in my words they are being poured to you. I start with the instructions. Sit straight, both hands in your lap, eyes closed, a meditational posture. Meditate upon the rising sun, early morning rising sun. Observe the highest peak of the Himalayas covered with snow. Imagine the sun rising on the highest peak of the Himalayas, a golden colored sun, Savita, the source of the vital energy of the sun, source of the divine inspiration, Savita, source of divine consciousness, Savita. Back to be straight, mind to be focused, and meditation posture, a state of the emotional trance. Recite Gayatri Mantra with Param Pujya Gurudev 12 times. Here starts the Gurudev's voice, and 12 times he will recite Gayatri Mantra. You will all recite in mind. Don't recite it loudly.
Om Bhurbhuva Svah Tasaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuva Svah Tasaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuva Svah Tasaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuva Svah Tasaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuva Svah Tasaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuva Svah Tasaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuva Svah Tasaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuva Svah Tasaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuva Svah Tasaviturvarenyam सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्।
Meditate on the rising sun. Divine abode of the spiritual penance, sadhana. Lap of the Ganges. Where we are situated, this is the lap of the Ganges. Foothills of the Himalayas. And of spiritual penance of 7 Vedic saints, Shantikunj. Gayatri Tirth, Gayatri Pilgrimage Center. Divine environment, protection of the divine powers, land of divine spiritual penance. Body quiet and calm. Lustful desires, quiet and calm. Unending desires, quiet and calm. Mind quiet and calm. State of emotional trance, quiet, fully quiet. Nobody should move, nobody should waver their attention. Try to be quiet from inside, outside. Divine sight, highest peak of the Himalayas, covered with snow, fully covered with snow. Primary center for the origin of the spirituality is Himalayas. Vibrant powerhouse of spiritual energy is Himalayas. Divine sight. Imagine. Meditation is a game of imagination. Imagine the highest peak of the Himalayas, golden, just like gold. Savita, astral source of vital energy, Savita. Savita, sun, God, is known as Savita. The deity's aim, source of divine inspiration for devotee is Savita. Source of divine inspiration, Savita, sun god. Savita. Abounding with golden light, Savita. Meditate on the golden sun on highest peak of the Himalayas. Imagine that the devotee is surrendering to Savita. Surrender just like that of fuel to the divine, devotee fuel. Devotee fuel, Savita fire. Surrender of fuel to the completes to fire. Surrender of fuel to the fire. Complete surrender. Complete surrender of devotee's self. Unification of devotee and Savita. Sadhak Savita ek. Unification of devotee and Savita. Unification of God and devotee. God and devotee unification. Ek. Becoming one, non-dual. Becoming one, non-dual. Sadhak Savita ek. The radiant vibrations of the sun energy entering inside sadhak from all sides. Sadhak Savitamay, the spiritual seeker, the devotee, full of vibrations of the sun. Sun is piercing from outside, from inside, from everywhere. The whole body is transparent. The whole sun has entered inside us. And it is awakening our solar plexus, Surya Chakra. Solar consciousness, awakening the solar plexus, making us more and more conscious about the Almighty. एकत्व, अद्वैत, नॉन ड्यूलिज्म, यूनिटी, यूनिफिकेशन, यूनिफिकेशन, fully charged, fully energized. All the negativity is gone, all the inhibitions gone, becoming one with the sadhak. Sun becoming one with the sadhak. Sun entering into the sadhak from top to the bottom, from left to the right, each and every part, each and every molecule of our body getting energized. Sadhak fully vibrant, fully charged, fully enlightened. Kindly repeat after me. Om Tamso Ma Jyotirgamaya. Om Asato Ma Sadgamaya. Om Mrityorma Mritam Gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.